Welcome back to staff training for their 2012-2013 website. This next video is going to be how to work in the region where I ask you to insert a calendar. It is asked that you have a calendar for each class that you teach with assignments and key important dates. We ask that you do this in Google so that you can grant access. You could share the calendar out with your students and they can have them in their email, their Google Apps account as well. So I'm going to show you how to take your calendars and place them in this region at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to click on the word calendar at the top. Some of you might have these calendars already created. If so, they're going to appear under my calendars. As you can see, I have one for my computer core class, and I might have one here for my multimedia class. No, I do not. So I have to create one. If I had teach a second class, I will have to create a second calendar. Okay, to create a calendar, okay, you're going to have to go up to your calendar settings at the top. Looks like a little gear. You click on calendar settings. You click on calendars, and down here at the bottom, you can create a new calendar for each class that you teach. Okay. So, again, to embed your calendar into that region, or your calendars, okay, if it's one single calendar like me, it will be very, very simple to embed, because I can simply click the edit button. I can delete this region here. I can go up to insert, and I can click on calendar. Again, if it's one calendar you're inserting, see, it only lets you select one. Okay, if I selected my computer core calendar, because I only teach one class, I hit select. I leave it empty for 100% the width of that region. 600 is the default for the height. That's fine. Okay, you can look at your settings here. It's going to be a classic view is month. Okay, everything looks fine. I hit save. And I hit save again, and my course calendar is embedded. Now I don't have anything in there yet, but my computer core course calendar has been embedded in my site. Those of you that teach multiple subjects, okay, have multiple preps, you're going to have to do it just a little bit differently. So I'm going to edit, and I'm going to delete what I did. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my calendar that I had open here, and I'm going to find it in my list of calendars. Again, I went to calendar at the top. From this main default screen, I clicked on the gear and went to calendar settings, so I can see the list of all my calendars under the calendar tab in calendar settings. Okay, then I'm going to select the calendar that my first class, which would be computer core. Okay, this is the main settings page. You're going to then click on embed this calendar, and you find customize the color, size, and other options. Okay, so I click on that, and this will allow me to add more than one calendar into my site. Okay. So it's going to show the title, the navigation buttons, all this is fine. It's month. Again, the width, you leave it blank for 100% of the region. The height is going to be 600. Okay, it's going to start on Sunday, and now you can check what calendars you want to display. So I want to display my computer core calendar, and then I'm going to find my other couple classes that I teach. Let's say that I'm going to just use this as an example. I'm going to include the baseball calendar, and my third calendar will be the gym calendar. Okay, just pretend like those are my class calendars. I have 3 separate classes. I've checked them. Okay, you then take this region right here. This is your embed code. Double click on something. You can go Control A for select all. Right click on it, copy, go back to your website, click the edit button. This is a little tricky, but you click the very top of your right hand box. Okay? You're going to go up to the word where it says HTML. Okay, HTML. You click there. Alright, go ahead and select all this stuff and delete it. And then Control V will paste that embed code of your calendar. You hit update, and your calendar just got inserted. You hit save, and it fits at 100% width, okay, right in that area. Okay, it shows all of your classes. Okay, now every time you make a change in your calendar, it would automatically get posted up here to your website. And as you can see, I have 3 separate calendars. I have the gym, I have my baseball, and the yellow, the computer core, there's nothing on it. That concludes the demo video for calendars on your website.